Hello. Where to?
Hi, can you take me to Central Park, please?
Sure thing. How's your day so far?
Pretty good, but I'm a bit tired after the flight.
I understand. Traffic's heavy today, but don't worry. I know a few shortcuts.
That's good to hear. I really don't like sitting in traffic.
You and me both. Do you visit this city often?
No, it's my first time here.
Oh, then you're going to love it. Lots to see and do.
I hope so. By the way, how long is the ride to Central Park?
Usually about 20 minutes. But today maybe 30 or 40 if this rain keeps everyone driving slow.
That's okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, no problem. I've got a card reader.
Perfect. Also, could you turn on the air conditioning? It's a bit warm.
Sure. And music?
Maybe something calm. I'm still waking up.
Got it.
Oh, I know this song.
Really? It's from the 80s.
I heard it in a movie once. Now it's stuck in my head.
Careful. It might stay there all day.
Excuse me. Is this the shortest way?
Not exactly. But this road has fewer potholes.
Oh, I see. Potholes are the worst.
Tell me about it. Last week I hit one and my mirror fell off.
That sounds expensive.
Yeah, but I fixed it myself. I'm a handyman.
Impressive. I can barely fix a light bulb. Looks like we're stuck.
Yep, traffic's a nightmare today.
Any idea how long this will last?
Could be a while. Maybe 15 minutes or more.
Great. At least we're not moving backwards.
True. Want me to try another route?
If you think it's faster, go ahead.
All right, hold tight.
Wow, this street looks very quiet.
It is. Sometimes it's a hidden gem. Less traffic, nicer views.
Hidden gem? Sounds like my kind of place.
Maybe after your trip, I can show you around.
That would be nice. Thanks.
Here we are, Central Park.
Thank you. How much do I owe you?
It's $25.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a great time in the city.
I will. And thanks for the interesting ride.